Where is it as I am? Why did I put you? Where did you go? Oh my God. Where is it? Today's I am is I am open and receptive to all good. I am open and receptive to all good. I pray that you will be open to receptive and all good. Today's I am. I pray and hope that this encouraging word meets you and greets you and help you along your day. Hello, welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. On this channel, you can use your eyeshadow palette and all your makeups any way you choose. It is for your liking. Your makeup look has to be something that you love and enjoy. Let no one dim your lights. Go out and create and have a wonderful, joyful time. Today's eye look is gonna be simple, 3 different palettes. I have chosen Didi's Signature, Chamacy, and Clarity Cosmetics. I'm using one of my Amazon brush. I am going to go into this purple from Didi's Signature. This is the first color I'm going to use. I'm going to put this shade of purple on my lids. Quick and simple, easy eyeshadow looks. If you look at me, you can see that I have hooded eyes. So now I'm just going to share the color a little bit above the hooded eyes so I can see the color. I'm going right on top of that puffy piece of hooded eyes. And I'm just going to blend very gently and just progress up towards above the crease. And that's all I am doing. No additional product is on the brush. Just want to get a little higher so I can see the color. And I'm just dabbing the edges as I share it up. Now if you look at this eye, which is my left, which will be your right, if I am regular relaxed, you see, you can't really see much. But if I look at you and you look at my right, which will be your left, you see the difference? In the Didi's Signature, there is a brown. I'm going to take that brown so I can put it above the purple. And I'm sweeping it a little and I'll dab it in some places. I have hooded eyes, puffy eyes, and when it's depuffed, there is a lot of movement. So I dab some places and then I sweep the places I can. When I sweep, you can see it moves. You see it? Don't be afraid of that. Do not be ashamed of that. I'm also putting the brown in the outer corner, just for a little deepening. Don't be afraid to use your makeup even though you have flabby, puffy eyes. It's what you have. Use what you have and make it work for you. We were all created different. You know what I mean? I am so happy we are all different because we can all share something to help somebody else. So you see now you can see the brown. Again, each eye is different. Just smoothing the edges. In the Clarity Cosmetics, there is a green shimmer that I love so much. I'm going to take a little bit and put in the outer corner on each eye. This green is very, very pretty, but I only want it in the outer corner. I don't want a lot, just to accent the outer corner. It is, when I tell you this color is pretty, I'll be using it again. I got this in my ice cream box. There is one other palette I would love to try from another indie brand, and I can't remember the name of the person right now, but their eyeshadow palettes look really, really, really good. When I do remember the name, I'll put it on screen. This is the green. You see how pretty it is? And I just want it right there. I don't want it to take over the next color I am going to put. This is Clarity's Cosmetics, and I'm telling you, the formula of her palettes are gorgeous. The colors are pretty. They apply nice. I don't even have glitter glue on. And you see how pretty it looks. Always look both sides to make sure you are close to getting it to what you want. It's never going to be perfect. Do not listen to perfect people. Perfect people have more problems than you. It's never going to be the same, but you want it to be close. And that's about all you're going to get. That's it. Okay, so this is the green. You see how it bump up the look? One more shimmer from another palette. Last shade from Chamacy. Again, another ice cream box palette, which is so nice. I'm going to use this shade right here. This shade looks orange, but I think it has a shift. So let's see what it looks like. It's pretty. These multi-chromes are so soft. I tried it a couple days ago and I just wanted to use it more. I was like, why haven't I used it more? This color it's so pretty. It looks orange, but it's coming out, but it is coming out different on the eye with pink and gold. That's one thing with multi-chromes. You never know what it's going to look like on the eye. They always look like one thing in the palette, and on the eye is different. Can you see a shift? It is pretty. Today's I am open and receptive to all good. I am open and receptive to all good. Today's lip combo is LA Girl. It's a purple liner. It has like a little shimmer in it, and Revlon lip color. I don't think this is available anymore, but this is the lip combo I have. And the palettes I used was Clarity Cosmetics, Didi's Signature, and Chamacy. This is today's eye look. Simple, quick. You can do this anytime and you can do it in minutes. I appreciate everyone who watches my video always. I want to say thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you kindly. Please remember to hype this video so it can get a different audience that I maybe would never ever reach. And thanks again for sharing my videos. I just want to let you know I appreciate it a lot. Always remember you first. Never dim your light for another. Please remember, little self-care each and every time is very, very good for your body and for your soul. Keep your soul alive by taking care of yourself. Self is truly, truly first. Until I see you and you see me, stay blessed, take care of yourself, and always cherish special moments as the day goes by, because they are important for our mental health and for our joy. because some memories make us laugh until we cry, and some make us sad, but at least we still have the mind to remember the memories. Cherish your memories. See you shortly. Bye.